Hi, and another video in how to remove, I'm going to remove this water pump. Now you can take the head off by just doing these 4 Allen keys down here, but I'm just going to take the whole unit off, and it's only two screws. Okay, so that one, that comes all the way out, and there's a pipe there that you've got to try and get off, which could be a little bit awkward, but we will see. Oh, there we go. So that just popped that pipe off. Can you see that? I can zoom you in. Okay, that was just a lip on there, and I just pushed it off the pump. And then there's another one. Let me just drop it down if I can. Zoom out. There's another screw. I don't know if you can see him. See if I can get you down a bit. Hold on one sec, because you need to see this one. Hang on. There. See the screw? That one there. So we need to undo him as well. Okay. I'll put it back on the tripod. One sec. Okay. And then it should just a little bit of teasing. And there we go. Not in bad nick. Bit of water. I'll put that in the pan. Okay. And if you're changing this unit, whether you change the whole lot or just the head, that's entirely up to you. And then you've got this wiring in here, which I know what I'm going to say. You can't touch that. You can't. It's like I've never known such a pathetic sort of society that, you know, job's worth. I mean, you undo the top there. Okay, I'm not telling you how to do this, I'm just showing you what I did. Okay, inside here, if you buy the head and whatnot, it'll come with this unit as well. Okay, I think this is a choke or a condenser or whatever, I don't know. I think it's a condenser or a choke, I don't know. And here you have one of the most difficult things in the world that you could ever possibly come across: push fit wires. Okay, so there we go. You push it like it's spring loaded, but you're not allowed to touch it, remember. See this? Watch this. Spring loaded, and the wire pops out. Spring loaded, and they all, see, pop out. But you're not allowed to touch them because it takes an electrician charging you, I don't know how much, to come and do it, because we're not capable of doing it ourselves. Ridiculous. And there you go. That's the water pump out with the housing, if it's called a housing. And I mean, it's not hard. I mean, seriously, it's a push fit. Look. Okay, live, neutral, and this is not taking a mick at anybody. I'm just saying that the way it's gone at the moment, you know, you have to have a professional to fit 3 wires. All right, yes, some people can't do it, I agree, but I've been told, you know, if you're competent, you should be able to do it yourself, and it's not hard, is it? Earth goes down to ground. That's always an earth sign. Okay, ground, neutral, live. So it'll be usually, it's blue, that's blue, the middle one, brown, and then green, and let me just show you, where is it? I've got the wire. There we go. Okay, brown live, blue neutral, green earth. All right, there we go. Take care. That's another one done. A little bit of water, or a bit of build up there. This is your pressure valve. That's pretty straightforward to do as well. You just, I think it's just a fit. I'll show you that one on the next video if you want the pressure valve. This might be stuck, isn't it? And there we go. So what happens is then, if you get a build up of pressure and too much, you'll hear a and all this will be chucking out water at the other end. Okay, through this here. Okay, there we go. Right, that's the end of that one. If you like the vid, please give it a thumbs up, like and subscribe over there, up and coming videos over here, and take care. All the best. Bye.